Here at Jegan, we know how important quality is for our customers. So daily, we check both dimensional and geometrical tolerances to ensure that the quality of the products that we send comply with the specifications. Here we have an example of a hinge in which we will check two tolerances. From one side, this plane, and then how well aligned these 4 pins are between them. And for that, we will use this 3D machine. We made programs so that the measurements is automatical, and so that it's functional for us to do these measurements on a daily basis. We go to the plant, we take a few samples that are representative of the lot of the batch that we are producing, and then we take the measurements. If we have any issues, we will communicate to plant. If everything is okay, we will go ahead and give the okay. So I will now measure the plane. It's only the first alignment, so I will take only 4 points. And it is extremely important to have the first initial alignment well done, because all the measurement will take that first alignment into account. That's why it's done manually, and we do it very precisely. I am now measuring one of the pins inside, and it's the last element of the alignment now. Okay, so the alignment is done now. What I have done is I have told the machine in the 3 coordinates of the space, X, Y, and Z, I have told them where the 0, 0, 0 is. In this case, it's right there. So from there, the machine will move to wherever I have programmed it to go to. And now it will start automatically to do the measurement. Okay? Because it is extremely important for this customer that this plane has only an error of 0.3. It is important to take a lot of different points so that we have the most realistic measurement of the plane. In this case, we will take 25 points. And once we have measured this lot that we took from production today, we will be able to see if we comply with the requirements of the customer. If we didn't, we will know what actions we need to take. At the end of the day, this is a quality check to make sure that everything is going fine. What is not so usual is that things go wrong. That would be quite unusual. Normally, that just day-to-day processes to ensure that everything carries out according to plan.